In behalf of the provincial government of Bulacan and our Bulacanos people, I humbly accept this People's Governor's Excellence Award for the World Class Excellence Department Award. Sa karangalang ito, hindi lamang para sa akin, kundi para sa bawat Bulacañong nagsisilbing lakas natin sa patuloy na paghahati ng tapat at makabuluhang paglilingkod sa lalawigan ng Bulacan. May this recognition inspire us to continue improving our service and to do even more for our communities and our beloved countries. Maraming salamat po. Mahal po tayo ng Diyos. God bless you.
To recognize achievers from all walks of life, to honor individuals and organizations making a difference, and to inspire others to pursue excellence despite challenges and limitations. Your stories remind us why we continue this mission. You are proof that recognition and opportunity can change lives, empower communities, and inspire future generations.
Po ay inaalay ko sa inyo at higit sa lahat sa ating Panginoong Hesus. Ang bigyan ka ng pagkilala ay isang malaking karangalan. Sa pamamagitan po ng karangalan natanggap natin, umasa po kayo na lalo pa po natin pag-igihin ang ating pag-serbisyo.